I'm gonna let him ride my bike. We'll see. Of course, I did put it in low power mode. I'll put it in low power mode and traction control number 2. Keep it in second. Keep it in second.
I heard it pop, pop, pop.
Woo!
Yeah.
I got the goosebumps.
Yeah, I get.
And that's low power.
Wow.
If he wants to, I'll put it in high power and let him come back and feel it. But
it'll probably come up on him.
Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Ninja 1000 with Yoshimura cans or slip-ons, and it's still got the catalytic converter.
I didn't get to get that one right there. He was moving too damn quick. Got it.
Yeah.
That sounds
He
really
can't keep
good.
it up, but he got it.
Yeah, he needs some Viagra.
That sounds